We are pleased to show you the 2023 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.